I want to do a brief Q&A on some of the questions I get from clients and prospective clients about using personality and motivation assessments. First, let's talk about what is the difference between personality and motivation. Well, there are a lot of differences between personality and motivation, but here's a few key differences. First, personality is shaped by genetic, environmental, and cultural factors. Motivation, on the other hand, is fixed over a period of time. It can be impacted by major life events and stressors. Things like burnout or the potential for burnout are more accurately measured with motivation assessments because burnout is more of an emotional response than a thinking response. Motivation is the driving force behind setting certain goals, looking for specific jobs, overcoming or not overcoming challenges, and facing diversity. Personality is who we are or who we think we are versus motivation, which is the energy and the goals that drive us because of our passions or lack thereof. Personality assessments help decipher, how do I do that? Personality, how do I do that? While motivation is more about, why do I do that? Motivation is, why do I do that? Business goals of benefiting from bringing the entire self to work strategy comes from a combination of assessments over time, which will yield the best results for long-term employee and member retention and increased productivity.